Here's how to remove a turmeric stain from carpet. Turmeric is a spice that's found in food like curry and mustard. The bright yellow color in turmeric comes from an organic dye molecule called curcumin. And this curcumin molecule sticks to pretty much everything, so once it ends up in your carpet, it's basically impossible to wash it out. But there is a way to make these yellow stains invisible, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video. The first step is to try and remove as much turmeric as possible by using a spotter. You can use something like Spot Shot or this homemade DIY spotter. Click the suggested video in the corner of the screen to learn how to make DIY spotter. Now I've already used a spotter on both these stains, so I'm going to jump right into step 2 where we will make the remaining yellow stain invisible. For the stain on the left, I'm using 6% hydrogen peroxide. Then for the stain on the right, I'm using 6% hydrogen peroxide with a UV light. If you're going to add your hydrogen peroxide to a clear spray bottle like me, make sure you store it in a dark cabinet when you're not using it. Sunlight causes it to break down and lose its strength, so it'll just last a lot longer if it's stored in a dark place. So I've added the 6% hydrogen peroxide and I'm going to use an old toothbrush to spread the carpet tufts out. Then I'll cover it with a UV light and let it sit for about 20 minutes. Here's what it looks like after 20 minutes. We can see that the stain has lightened a little bit. Again, I'll use a toothbrush to rearrange and expose other parts of the stain, then cover it again with the UV light and let it sit for 20 minutes. Hydrogen peroxide alone can typically remove most organic stains, but it isn't quite strong enough to remove these yellow curcumin stains. So what we do to remove turmeric stains is add UV light, which causes the hydrogen peroxide molecules to split into hydroxyl radicals, which then have a higher oxidation potential. Then the hydroxyl radicals react with the yellow curcumin molecules, which cause the yellow molecules to collapse and lose their shape. Then once they've lost their shape, they reflect light differently and they become colorless. So basically, hydrogen peroxide and UV light cause these permanent bright yellow stains to become invisible. The UV light that I'm using is a 10-watt waterproof UV light. If you have a larger turmeric stain, you might want to consider using a stronger UV light that can cover a larger area. I have my UV light positioned just slightly above the surface of the carpet, but if you're using a larger UV light like a 30-watt or an 80-watt light, you can raise it 2 to 6 inches above the carpet so that it covers a larger area. Also, I'd recommend using a UV light that you can plug into a wall outlet. Battery-powered UV lights don't work well for this because they're typically not very strong. Also, depending on the strength of the UV light that you use, you may need to increase or decrease the 20-minute intervals. So a question you might have is this method safe to use on colored carpet? And the answer is yes, but make sure you test it in an inconspicuous area on your carpet before you use it. So for example, you might spray the hydrogen peroxide on the carpet in the corner of a closet, then cover it with the UV light for an hour or two just to make sure it doesn't cause any discoloration. It's also important to note that if you leave this on your carpet for a very long time, it will eventually start to remove the color from your carpet. So make sure you don't leave it on your carpet and forget about it. If you're wondering what 6% hydrogen peroxide is and if you can use 3% medical grade hydrogen peroxide instead, the answer is yes, you can use 3%, but it'll just take more time. 6% is what most professional carpet cleaners use to remove many types of organic stains. The kind that I'm using in this video is the same kind that's added to hair dye in salons, and it's called 20 volume clear developer, which is really just 6% hydrogen peroxide and 94% water. I'll post a link in the description. The very last thing you want to do is to use a towel to absorb any remaining hydrogen peroxide from the carpet, then just let it dry. So here's the final result, and the stain's completely gone. If you want to learn how to make the homemade DIY spotter that I mentioned at the beginning of the video, go ahead and check out this video right here. And if you decide to give this method a try, please leave a comment below and let everybody know how it went.